Is out of jail walking the streets, and many people want to know why after he was officially charged with killing Anna.
An indictment claims Timothy Hudson is a danger to society, yet he's still not behind bars. Fox 35's Marie Ettinger is hearing from experts who say Hudson should be in jail right now.
A magistrate judge had ruled Timothy Hudson was not enough of a threat to justify keeping him behind bars until his trial, so they let him stay at an uncle's house. But the federal prosecutors are saying that this new threat of life behind bars in an adult prison could change the way he looks at things and cause him to act out in some way. They want him locked up until that trial. A magistrate judge determined Timothy Hudson was not enough of a threat or flight risk to keep him behind bars ahead of his trial and let him stay with an uncle instead. That's a decision that's baffled retired FBI Special Agent Jennifer Coffindaffer.
In a case involving a murder, a strangulation of a young girl, why are they out? This is the issue. Is somebody that is capable of that is certainly a danger to the community.
The federal government says that decision was made under the Juvenile Defender Act. And now that Hudson is charged as an adult and facing much more severe consequences, they think he should wait for his trial in jail, not at home.
Under the juvenile system, there's presumptions of release, where under the adult system, with a case this serious, with charges this strong, there's actually a presumption for pretrial detention.
Mike Panella is defense attorney, not affiliated with this case. He says Hudson could be re-arrested on these adult charges and have a judge then and there decide to hold him in jail until they can have a new hearing about release conditions. Hudson's defense team wants him to stay out until that hearing. They also want that handled by the same magistrate judge who let Hudson out originally, arguing he's already familiar with the case.
What the defense is likely to argue is that actually he's been living with a family member, he's been doing all of this without any additional issues since February, and he doesn't have any criminal history, so he should still be allowed to be released until his trial.
We're also learning more about what evidence prosecutors plan to present. They have a statement written by Hudson, DNA results, autopsy and toxicology results. They have video from the FBI, documents from Carnival Cruise Lines, an incident report from the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office, autopsy photographs, x-rays, the full medical examiner's report, a timeline created, and data from Chris Kepner's cell phone. Hudson's attorneys haven't said yet what they'll be using in his defense, but he did just get a third federal public defender appointed to his team. Federal prosecutors also allege Timothy Hudson had acted unpredictably in the past in this alleged attack. They're saying he could do something unpredictable again. There are minors in the home where he's staying right now. Marie Ettinger, Fox 35 News.
A jury